Your mom is the. Okay, I'm sorry.
Dog, that's this is going on YouTube. You realize that?
I'm good. I'm sorry. Wait.
You're so good. This is going on YouTube.
God. I'm sorry.
Dog.
Nah. What's your channel?
GamerBen0626.
Yo, that's a tough username.
Ben?
That's
Yo,
so
Ben,
tough.
you're a gamer.
My channel looks
Ben, how good of a
fun
gamer
stuff.
are you, Ben?
I am
Ben, are you a good
fun
gamer?
Kind of.
Yep.
I played against a Joker just now, and dude, we were both in the locker, and it would not close, and he just went, "They got us, bro, they got us." It was so depressing.
We're going to.
Does anybody have any idea what killer is? What killer is?
What killer is it?
Joker.
It's Joker.
Killer's Joker with Flash. Milestone 1 Joker. Milestone 2 Joker, I'm actually pretty sure. With Flash.
I am dipping. I am not doing this. Oh shoot, run. Dude. I am so locked in. Oh my god. And y'all, my goal is to try to get 100 stars. Oh, okay. My goal-
You need it?
Huh?
You need it?
I don't really need it.
Let's switch items.
Okay. Sure thing. Oh,
Thanks.
He's here.
Guys, please do gents. Me and Message will hand it if y'all just do.
No way.
Oh shoot! No!
She's going to church.
Oh no! Dip.
Message,
Dip.
please listen.
Dip. Anyway, as I was saying, as I was rudely
Our teammate is in no milestone.
interrupted by the
Application.
killer, as I was saying, my goal is to hit 100
I'm distracting you,
subs.
please keep doing
By the
good.
way, that's a
Oh, we're about to get on a gen right now. If y'all ever mess up this gen, get off of it. Sorry for the pre-drop.
You guys accidentally let me turn on my flashlight.
Anyway, y'all, my goal is to
You two
get...
join the game. I mean, not join the game.
Huh?
Hey, you two do gens.
Okay. Anyway, my goal is to get 100 subs by the end of maybe this month. I'm not sure. Probably not this month. But yeah, let me be like Gamer Harry 0626, please. Anyway, go check out his channel. Huh? Anyway, so yeah, he makes some pretty good content. He has a lot of.
I beat him on rock, paper, scissors. I gaslit him into playing rock, paper, scissors with me. And I beat him. Why the hell do we have 2 gens done? And why did you get down in like 2 seconds and I distracted him for 2 minutes? I don't understand you.
He might make that. I don't know. Yeah, he's gonna make it. I have
Log in.
Shoot.
Guys, please just do gens. I'll get them.
Shoot, it's GG's. I am scared. But yeah, just please let me hit like 100 subs. Y'all, please. I dropped my controller on my toe. That was my room. I hope y'all
Please just do a generator, bro. It's not that hard.
We're about to
Bro, it cannot be the hardest task in the world to do finish one generator. You have like 4
Next
minutes.
round you wanna do
Not that hard, bro.
Next round we're doing Gen Rush, okay?
He's coming. We're good.
He's coming for you. He's doing some crazy off.
We just about got cooked. Wait, what you got? What's that do?
I'm not telling you. Open that chest, bro.
Dude, I swear, I'm going to crash out if I get another.
No, you could just sing in it. But if you pull this button, then it does the song.
Oh, I got a
I'll get
booster!
my position. Please just do. Please just do
Okay,
last gen.
don't use this
Just do
button,
that
okay?
then. Okay.
You wanna trade?
No, I am not trading. If he hits one of us, I'm going to trap him in there. Hold up. I shouldn't be scared. Oh shoot, I forgot I was recording for a sec. Let's go. Attack! Wait, it gives anyone in the
I'm doing
area
last gen.
speed
I'm doing last
boost?
gen. Everyone get off your gen and support map petition. Get off your gen and support map petition.
What?
Man. It went bye-bye. Went bye-bye.
Oh shoot.
I'm still distracted.
Attack!
Do the gen. This guy was
Yo!
flying across the map.
Oh shoot, no. You're not scary! I'm
Dude,
not afraid of you!
It's because this guy targeted me across the map.
You're not scared.
Oh my god, our teammate sucks.
You're genuinely bot. You're a 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 bot. You're map petition. You're a bot. You. What the hell are you?
Oh shoot! Take my life, dog.
You're not a real player. I refuse to believe that. I refuse to believe that you're actually like a real player playing the game. You're genuinely just a bot. You're a bot. You're. Monk, I'm opening up gate. Please, at least just save him and run the gate. I'm opening up gate. Just save him and run the gate, okay?
At
It's not
least
that
I
hard. It's
didn't
not a
have to
difficult.
do the goofy game of rock, paper, scissors.
Monk. Monk. Monk, save him. Save him. Monk, save him. Save him. Monk, save him.
You're kidding me.